Welcome. I am Eric with Mother.com, and I greet you, beloveds, in the love and in the light of the one infinite creator. So today I'm going to do another video, and I'm going to base this on the MACD, and we're going to be taking a look at the Dow and see what we can learn from its MACD behavior over the last couple of years. So this is 3 years weekly for the Dow. Weekly. And it's the Dow Jones. So we're going to begin by taking a look at what happened during this, what felt like and is considered a crash type behavior in early 2020. And I'm going to keep it simple because I'm going to provide you links in the description of the video for more information. If I draw a line right there, actually, let's take a look at the orange line. Just bear with me. I'm going to draw a line at the middle, right there, middle point. And we're taking a look at the orange line, the signal line of the MACD. You got equal time and space on this side of the line and equal time and space on this side of the line. Roughly, not perfect, but roughly. Which means, if you are familiar with my work, that is uniform action. So the re-entry is a signal that the market is due to move higher. Why? Because the period that I am highlighting right here is uniform action. Now, I discussed this in many videos over the years, so there's nothing new. Okay, another simple way of showing this is take a look at this behavior here. We went back to the zero line. By the way, I should have stated the zero line is right here on the MACD, the zero line. And in this instant here, we went below the zero line and back above it. So let me remove that stuff so we can see it. I'm going to draw the zero line again. We tag it right there with uniform action. We kiss it. Mwah! And guess what happens? Yep. We get a recovery. We have another touching of the zero line with the uniform action. Guess what happens to price? Yep, you guessed it. We have another swing trade, or at least a bias to the upside. We have another variation of the same thing here. Guess what? Another instant where the market recovers. We have the same thing right here, late 2021. Guess what? The Dow goes to touch all-time intraday highs. Now, let's flip the switch. And what we're going to do here, it's a simple exercise. We went above zero, back below it with uniform action. Guess what? The market has since pulled back. And generally speaking, you're in a bullish phase when the MACD is above the zero line. And generally, you're in a bearish phase or a pullback phase when the MACD stays below the zero line, and which explains this recent move in the market right here. So yeah, the MACD is a useful tool. Now, oh, by the way, I should have mentioned, sometimes you forget, but to mention important things, the setting I'm using here is 853. Now, I know you might not be familiar with these numbers, but the Fibonacci series is where I get this number. Actually, this is a 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21, 34, 55, 89, 144, 233, and so on. So on this one, I'm using 3, 5, 8. In the next one, my main MACD is 13, 21, and 34. That's my setting, and you can see it is similar to the traditional MACD setting, of which you find in most default MACD settings of 12, 26, and 9. So the one I'm using here is 13. You see they're close. 21 and actually 8. See, the numbers are close. 12, 13, 26, 21, 9, 8. I prefer to use my numbers. If I explain why, it's because I believe the Fibonacci series has a way of pulling out natural ebb and flow. At any rate, just wanted to end here with the main MACD. What does it mean to you or to traders when the Dow seemingly is in the process of moving its MACD below the zero line, especially if it stays that way? The answer should be pretty obvious. Now, what would it mean, let's say, in time, if this rolls over with uniform action back above the zero line? The answer there should also be obvious. So, there should be some links in the description of the video. If you want to learn more about my method, my understanding of how to use the MACD, most of those are my own original researched method. I am Eric with Mother.com, and I leave you as I found you, in the love and in the light of the one infinite creator. Go forth rejoicing in the power and in the peace of the one creator. Adonai. And actually, since you're still watching, should you want my complete MACD premium content, my educational on the MACD, why not take a free trial? Come in, take out and take a look at my videos. Lots of educational videos. And if you also want US breakout alerts and crypto breakout alerts, check me out. Bye.